I think since the time PMRC came into being as a joint venture between Ministry of Finance, and I just want to be very clear that Ministry of Finance बहुत low touch रहेगी, because I want गवर्नमेंट की जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है जितनी मिनिमम हो सके उतनी मिनिमम करें. हम पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क दें, हम आपको पॉलिसी कंटिन्यूटी दें, और जो भी हम आपको फर्स्ट लॉस गारंटीज़ हैं या सब्सिडी अमाउंट्स हैं वो हम आपको ज़रूर देंगे, लेकिन हमारी अमल मुदाखलत बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, बिकॉज द प्राइवेट सेक्टर विच हैज़ टू लीड द कंट्री. इस हाउसिंग का डायरेक्ट लिंकेज है विद टू एग्जिस्टेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर पाकिस्तान. And I keep on talking about it, and I'll keep on repeating it, that as much as we are now focused कि IMF के साथ कल क्या है, आज क्या है, immediate economic turnaround, taxation पे क्या है, energy reforms में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, SOEs के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, privatization, two existential problems. और ये हम sequentially नहीं लेके चल सकते. ये इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते कि ये 3 साल का प्रोग्राम complete हो जाए and then we deal with it. One is population, and the other is climate. Population related पहले भी बात हो चुकी है. Unfortunately growing at 2.55%, which is not sustainable. उसके साथ जो चीज़ें जुड़ी हुई हैं और जो linkages हैं, child stunting की बात है, उसके साथ जो poverty learning की बात है, especially girls out of school, and the third thing associated with that, housing. Because housing, this is not just about financing, this is shelter, this is socio-economic stability, this is everything associated with that issue, which is the population and the way we are growing. Therefore, housing is such a critical element, and to fix it, to get it right, is going to be very critical as we go forward. And the second is obviously climate. बहुत पहले भी चीज़ें हो चुकी हैं, earthquake आ चुके हैं, लेकिन 2022 के जो floods हैं, was a real wake-up call in terms of rescue, rehabilitation, reconstruction, again to provide the enabling environment. Some of the banks, some of the microfinance banks are doing a commendable job. Others have to join. And देखिए वो हम काम नहीं करेंगे जो हमने पहले किया. We are not going to go back to directed lending. That creates distortions. And it has implications for the medium term. So that was a wrong thing to do, and we are not going to repeat that. So the second thing is कि incentivization हमने create करनी है, ताकि जो banks हैं, microfinance banks हैं, वो इसको आगे लेकर चलें. अपने आप processes जो हैं उसको आप जितना उसको सहल बना सकते हैं, जितना I think ease of doing business is going to be a very important part of it. The two enabling elements I've already mentioned. Also, we have the industry invested quite a bit in terms of income estimation models. Housing, as I said, is existential to the population and the climate thing, and therefore we have to go, full throttle forward with this. Now, what I certainly hope कि जो आपने ये आज conference की है, I see brilliant minds, I see senior practitioners, people who have known the issues for the longest time. But आपकी तरफ से I sincerely hope that some very practical recommendations would be coming on the back of not only the senior practitioners who are here from Pakistan, but जैसे आपने mention किया, we have foreign delegates, and we want to and we need to learn from your best practices and ensure that we can success transfer some of that into Pakistan, because some of the countries that you represent have done a fantastic job overall in housing and construction. But any views and ideas that you have in terms of the low-cost housing and the affordable housing as well would be most welcome.